So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about live trade of the stock screener that you discussed yesterday. So we'll discuss the complete intraday setup, how to select the stocks from the screener that you have designed yesterday, and how to trade accordingly in the live platform, and how to book the profit. So each and everything we'll try to understand. So today in the morning itself, I've put a post that how many people are interested to see the live trade of the screener, and 91% people have voted yes, they want to see it. So immediately I've decided that I need to do the live session, and so that you will also have the complete clarity regarding how to use the chart screener. So part 1, we have discussed about positional and swing trade. So if you have not watched that particular video, do watch it. So many people are getting good profits from that as well. So I'm feeling very happy for that. So for intraday also, you need to have little patience, and especially beginners, try to practice as much as you can so that you will also increase the accuracy. So don't do any sort of blind trade. So try to analyze the charts and then only trade it. So I'll explain, don't worry about that. Each and everything in simple terms, I'll try to clear your doubts. And further, if you're having any doubts apart from that, you can message me in Instagram. So in Instagram also, I'll clarify that. Okay, so don't worry. So now let's start our discussion. So let's go to Chartink Screener. Once I'll run the scan. So I've done it in the morning itself. So after that, I'll tell you how to trade. Okay, so morning around 9:20, I've run the scan and I've taken the photo from the laptop because already I was using the phone and simultaneously I was doing the trading. So it will become little tedious. So I've taken the photo directly of the laptop, and you can see after running the scan around 9:20, you can see the top 3 stocks. Basically, you can select top 2 for higher accuracy, and you can go even further depending upon your choice. So once I've done the particular scan, you can see the 2 stocks, UPL as well as Asian Paints. So they have come around 9:20, and you can see the percentage, the way they are trading. You can see Asian Paints was around 3.09% and UPL was around 4.71. So I've done little delay. Almost UPL was around 3% and Asian Paints was around 2.5 change. So I've taken little delay, but exactly at 9:20, you can expect the stocks are trading at that particular levels. So what I told yesterday, once after running the scanner, you need to select the stocks. So from the top 2, I have selected UPL. So once immediately after selecting UPL, I have gone to technical charts. I have put the indicator called VWAP. So once putting VWAP, what next? I'll tell that. So now let's go to technical charts. Okay, so I'm back onto the technical chart, and you can see currently the stock is trading around 719 rupees, and you can see it is almost trading with 4% positive movement. So immediately I've taken the screenshot because I need to do immediately back-to-back photos I've taken, so that you will also get 100% guarantee that I am doing the live trade itself. And you can see I've put 15 minutes time frame, and you can see the the yellow color line is VWAP. So try to put VWAP and 15 minutes time frame is very essential if you're doing intraday trading. And what is the last indicator? You need to put money flow index. So that is your wish. You need to put basically to check whether the stock is in overbought region or oversold. So once you're done with all these things, immediately I am seeing that it is trading above VWAP. So I've taken the trade. So let's go to Zerodha also, and let us implement in the current market price. I'll place the order. I'll take in small quantities only because randomly I am running other scanners also. I'm testing them. So I need to allocate funds accordingly, so that in small portions I am allocating the funds. Okay, so now let's go to Zerodha. Okay, so in the Zerodha platform, I've placed the order. You can see I've taken only 11 quantity, and you can see the average price is around 716.10. Same, whatever we have seen in the screener after coming to technical charts. Since it is trading above VWAP, so I've taken the trade, and you can see it is around 716. Okay, so done with it. So now we have placed the order. We have seen the technical chart. So now let us observe how the stock is performing. So now let's go to technical charts again, and we'll see how to basically trade, how to accept the journey, and when to book the profit. So all these things we'll understand. Okay, so after that, you can see the next 15 minutes, the stock again has gone up. You can see again, it has showed very good bullish momentum because as usual, what I was thinking, what was my mindset, clearly I told you before itself, and accordingly, the stock is also moving, and you can see a big green candle has been formed, and you can see stock has also gone to 737 rupees. So continuously, it's going up. So let us see where it goes. And simultaneously keep checking the money flow index also. It is near basically 88. So what is the essence of VWAP? So many people have question about it. So VWAP basically is like a support and a resistance. So if it is trading above VWAP, you need to take it as a support, and if it is coming below the VWAP, you need to take the resistance. So you need to book the profit when it is below VWAP, and you need to continue. Basically you need to carry forward your trade if it is trading above VWAP itself. So don't exit immediately. If you're in heavy quantities, okay, it is well and good to take the profit, but if you're doing in small quantities, it is always advisable to carry forward if it is trading above VWAP. Okay, so currently you can see the stock is rallying as usual, and you can see, as I told, it's near 735 and profit is very minor, so that is not a big deal. So our deal is how it is working, how is the accuracy. So try to focus on that. So now it is near 735 rupees region and our average price is 716. So let's go again to technical charts and we'll see how it is performing. Okay, you can see the next immediate candle also it has formed is trading above VWAP, and it is going as usual what I was thinking. So accordingly what the screener has suggested us. So everything is perfect. You can see it is near 6.91% and the profit is also running accordingly. So don't think about profit right now. Try to focus about the movement the stock is providing. So let's carry forward that. Let's see ultimately where the stock has gone. Okay, so right now you can see it is near 744 rupees level, and you can see right now 300. It's okay, decent profit. So now basically we'll try to we'll see how ultimately what is the highest point that it has hit today. Currently it is near 744, and you will be surprised to see that it has even gone to 764. You can assume how much returns it has given. That is called intraday trading, and how basically the psychology, what I was telling, how you need to hold it, how the VWAP is telling us whether to book the profit, whether to hold it. So all these things you need to observe carefully. Let us go to the final chart. We'll see how the stock has traded today. Okay, so you can see that today's complete movement of UPL. So you can see today it has even gone to 764. So from 716 to 764, you can see how much amount of profit you would be getting. Okay, so understanding, right? So that is the essence of VWAP. So you can see it was trading above VWAP only. It has not gone below that. So try to understand. If it is closing below VWAP, then only you need to search for exiting your profit. So since it is trading above VWAP, you have complete clarification that you need to hold it. So if you're having some heavy quantities, it is advisable that you can exit here itself near the 755, 756 where the stock has already gone. So since I was trading in small quantities, just I left it as usual, and after the closing I can see it has come near around 742, it has closed. Okay, so try to observe how it is working. So ultimately consistency is important. So after that you can generate some very good profits. So see, test it. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. So let us see about Asian Paints also. So that also was the top 2 stock that has come after running the scan. So how it has performed, so that also we'll discuss. Okay, so the second stock that we have seen in the screener setup was Asian Paints, and it was almost with 3% positive movement. So roughly you would have taken trade somewhere here, right? So you would have taken somewhere trade here, and you will wait for little VWAP also to move accordingly. So after that you can see the stock has also rallied very well, and you can see it has showed almost 7.35% positive movement. So try to observe all these things. So we'll also see how actually Asian Paints performed till the end day as well. Okay, so if you see the ultimate till the closing day, that is till 3:30, if you see how the stock has performed, you can see Asian Paints basically it has gone even above 2,800 as well. So very good profit if you are taking in some decent quantity. You can learn something new related to intraday trading. So basically beginners will get some confidence that they can also trade, because I see many messages that they're having loss in intraday trading, they're exiting with loss, they're not understanding how to trade. So basically this will be some basic or beginning stage where you will learn how to trade and earn some consistent profits. So try to follow VWAP very well and stock screener also. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.